Okay, so apparently I wasn't recording. But anyways, hope y'all are having a great day. I have 3 mystery bundles from FabFitFun, their edit sale thing. And the first thing I had pulled out is from FabFitFun itself. And it's just a jewelry holder. Rings, and a little apartment there. Probably not gonna keep this. And then next was this Cosmic Maracuja Concentrated Face Balm from Tarte. And this is what it looks like. And let's see what it looks like. And there, I'm assuming those are gold flakes. Yeah, it says gold. So there's that. Third item is, of course, from Ish. And it is the Lip Statement Single in Iconic. Let's get this out. Might already have this one from my add-on sale thing, since I got 3 bundles from that. Nope, I don't have this color, but I'm not going to keep it. That. Next is from ORG Skincare. It's a mineral peel face, natural non-abrasive exfoliant with brightening agents. Looks like directions. Spray ample amount onto desired areas. Allow to absorb for approximately 3 seconds using your hand or minimally abrasive washcloth. Gently exfoliate in circular motions. Rinse with warm water. Repeat if necessary, and moisturize accordingly. For best results, use 3 to 4 times weekly on dry skin. Shake well before use. And that's what it looks like. Just a spray. I'll keep this and try it, see how that is. So that was the first mystery bundle, and this is the number that it was or whatnot. Okay, now for the second mystery bundle. Looks like, try and get in here without upsetting Tigger, and this is Island Bon Voyage. She dreams of sandy shores and coconut cocktails with lime. Looks like this. And I'm thinking this is a candle. It's Kate Spade. It's from Kate Spade. And yes, it's candle. That smells good. And it's just plain white. I'm sure this is very expensive, and I'll probably decorate this, do an acrylic pour or something with this, because it's just so plain. It's boring, but the scent is really good. Let's see if this, with notes of white sand, coconut, and orange flower. So I'm definitely going to keep that. Then next is multiple things. This bubble wrap. Looks like they're all from Sleek, which is a drugstore brand, but there are 4 things in here with it, and This is Stone Waterproof Mascara. Okay, this is Stone Cosmetics, so it's not Sleek. And it looks like, and it's in black. I'll show you what it looks like, but I'm not gonna open it or anything because I already have a ton of mascaras, and it's, I can't tell if this is just really hard plastic or what, but this is really nice feeling. I might look up prices and put them wherever. Not sure though. Next is, oh, I don't know why I thought they were from Sleek. I guess it's just through the bubble wrap, I just assumed it said Sleek. But anyways, these are all from Stone Cosmetics. And here's a Gems Chocolate Shimmer Eyeshadow, and it's in chocolate. This is what it looks like. Now, the packaging for this feels really cheap. That's what it looks like. Very pretty color. Let's see if I can. There we go. And then this one is in Champagne. If I can get this sucker out. Okay. That's what it looks like. And the last thing from that little pack is also from Stone Cosmetics, and it's Insanely Intense Tattooed Waterproof Eyeliner in Jet Black. I'm not sure if this is a liquid eyeliner or not, but I'm not going to open this because I don't do eyeliner very much. And then there's also 2 more things in this mystery bundle. So technically we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items in this one. And this is from Vegamour Bootcamp for Your Lashes. I believe this is a lash serum. And this, yep, it's a volumizing serum. And the packaging feels really nice too. That's what it looks like. I am going to be using my Manicadar one first. And then the last thing here is a yoga mat spray in lavender. Don't have a yoga mat, so won't be keeping this. So out of this, the second mystery bundle, I'll be keeping 4 or 5 items out of this. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the mascara or not. And then and getting rid of 2 things. So I'm keeping most of it. And then this is the number. And then out of the first mystery bundle, I'll be keeping I forgot what the 4th one of this was. Oh yeah, I'll be keeping 2 and getting rid of 2, so half of the products. So far I am liking the second mystery bundle the best. And the last mystery bundle here. I'm gonna cut this one. Okay. Tigger is really crabby. Really crabby right now. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is from Summer and Rose. Looks like a bag. And it is. this is what it looks like. And it has a zipper. And then on the inside it's this. And we have 2 pockets in here. This would be good for the beach, but I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it because I never go to the beach. But it's a cute bag. Then next is this from Well Done, accessory but essential, and this is handcrafted in Montreal, Canada. 24K gold plated medallion, green spot jade quartz and phantom quartz stones stainless steel chain, and I think what they call the bracelet is Coati, C-O-A-T-I. It looks like. It's very pretty. Let's see if. And I'm definitely going to keep this. And then on the back there's some things too. So, last 2 items seem to be from Ish. And then, yep, this is just a brush from Ish. And this is a liquid shadow from Ish. And it is in Orchid. And this is what it looks like. Really pretty purple. So out of this one, I'm keeping the bracelet and the liquid eyeshadow. And then definitely getting rid of the brush because I don't need this. And not sure if I'm keeping the bag or not. So this is the number for this bag. So I think the second bag I opened was the best, then the last bag, and then the first bag is the most disappointing. So I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.